everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is a small haul from Softflex from December 22nd. I received it on January 8th, and consider this part one because I am going to put this together with the next one that I don't have yet, and you'll see them all at the same time, which hopefully will come in the next day or two. So these are the Preciosa Ornella Check Crystal Faceted Round 12 millimeter 8-inch strand. These, I believe, are the same ones that were in the, it was the winter design kit from November. And they're gorgeous. I couldn't resist getting them because I'm pretty sure I used them all up from that kit. And then, Kirsten of Softflex had done a design using overlap beads. Now I can't remember if she used, I think she used the squares. These are 7 count 24 by 24 millimeter black onyx matte finish overlap squares, and she made a beautiful necklace, and I had to get them and try it. Now these were a little expensive to me, but onyx, real onyx, is a little expensive. There's a lot of like black gemstones that, and agate, black agate and things that it's hard to tell nowadays what's real onyx and what's agate, but these are labeled as onyx, so I'm going with that. And then also, so these were $16.80, and these, I think these were on sale because the ticket price is $21. And these are diamond shaped ones, same thing, 33 by 33 millimeter overlapping diamond. Yeah, it says sale right on it. And these were $17.60. So they overlap each other, but they make a beautiful focal piece, and that's what she did. And these are normally $22. So they were on sale. And then the last strand I bought is this 8 millimeter rutilated quartz mixed rounds 16-inch strand, and this was $16.79. I don't usually like to pay this much for strands, normally $21, but rutilated quartz is hard to come by also. And rutilated quartz is usually a clear quartz with gold in it, gold striations, or I don't know, like needles, gold needles in it. And then there's tourmalinated, which is clear with black in it. So there are some clear ones on here with some gold in them, but I guess to get those really high-end ones, you end up, like, these have gold also, but they're a little milkier. This almost has the tourmalinated, which has black tourmaline in it. So anyway, I thought these were really pretty. This will make a beautiful piece for autumn. And Sarah Ayler had shown this. I think she made a necklace with it in autumn. So these were also on sale. And then, because I spent over whatever it was, I think it had to be $49, I got another silver strand free. And I used up my other one. So I'm happy to have this one because I love the silver strand. I made 3 necklaces. If you missed that video, finished jewelry from the Softflex Metallic Sparkles kit plus the strands. This was one of the 2 strands. There was a silver. You had your choice of getting a free silver or a free gold. And I picked the silver one because actually I think I want to make earrings with these squares. I had used them, I think, in a bracelet. But yeah, anyway, this is the free strand I got. So that is part 1. That's my Softflex order from the 22nd, received on the 8th. Thank you, Softflex. And these are gorgeous too. So those would go really well together, right? Yeah, such prettiness. Hi everyone. So this is part 2 to the Softflex haul, if you will. I did order this on January 4th, and I did just get this on the 11th. So actually, I I thought I ordered it before the 4th, but apparently not. They shipped it on the 5th, and I got it on the 11th, and it comes from California, and I'm on the East Coast, so, you know, that's not really too terribly long. It came first class mail. So, yeah, that's not terribly long. So, really, all I got in this is the Valentine Passion Design Kit. And I did not, they do have 2 strands available. One is a red strand. They always have like 2 coordinating strands, and one is a deep purple one. I did not get either one of those this time, but they're having a sale right now, I think only through tomorrow, where I think, I just watched Kristen from Softflex do a video on, live on YouTube, and I think she said they're having a sale on those strands, and I don't know what else. So go check it out if you're interested. The thing is, I actually had, they had a coupon or a discount when I ordered this, so I did get $10 off anyway. And then I didn't empty out my cart right away, so I got another. Somehow they emailed me and said, if you check out, we'll give you another $10. We'll give you $10 off. So I got 2 $10 discounts. So I hope that was right, Softflex, but thank you. So for this, which is usually $32.95, and the other items here, which are Tiara Cast Hammer Tone rings and rondelle, 7mm rondelles. I paid $38.92, and that included some shipping, $3.67 in shipping. So yeah, I thought it was a decent deal. Now, you know, the way these, what do they call these? Mystery design kits, you are not supposed to share the contents of them until they air them, and they air them on the last Wednesday of the month, usually around 3 Pacific or 6 Eastern. But they say on the card here, time, date, TBD, but it's usually the last Wednesday of the month, which in January will be the 27th. So I will be opening this and recording the video, but I will not air it until the 27th at 6 p.m. Eastern either. But I'm going to open it ahead of time, because that way it gives me more time to work with it, and that way maybe the day after or 2 days after, you know, shortly after the reveal, I can share what I've been able to make with it, which is what I did for the Metallic Sparkles kit that just finished. I really enjoy their kits, and I like their strands too, but I have a lot of red beads, and I don't have as much purple, but I have some. And I might even have some purple and red Jesse James beads. I'm not sure. So I'm going to go, which is what the strands are. They're custom. But I'm going to go look through my stash and see what I have to use with this once I open this. Okay. And then I had gotten these 25mm rings in the silver and the gold. Actually, I think this one's copper. So anyway, I didn't get any more gold, but I ended up going back and getting that in the 25mm, the 13mm, and then the matching hammer tone spacer beads from Softflex. And I did end up getting 2 more of the little silver ones, the 13mm, and the spacer beads. And then I didn't get any, I don't know if they had the spacer beads, they might have. But I only got the, what is this, antique copper? These are actually rhodium plated, not silver plated. Antique brass plated is these. Where antique copper plated, yeah. Tiara Cast Hammer Tone ring, 1 inch, antique copper plated, 25mm. And then these are the 13mm. So that's really it for part 2 of my haul. I'll see you on the 27th around 6 p.m. Eastern to do the reveal of this, and then hopefully I'll have some pieces made for you. But it's not pinks this time for the, what are they calling this one? The Valentine Passion Design Kit. It's reds and purples. So I'm anxious to see what's inside. There is a piece of paper they give you with what's inside, and also a coupon to use on an order of so much or more. And it does have an expiration date, though, a couple days prior to the reveal of the kit. So I think if I want to go back and get the strands or something, I could use that coupon with it. But I think this month I'm going to hold off and just see what I can do without the strands, but with the kit. So we'll see how I do.